Recently, I have used a lot of thin and light notebooks, and the ASUS Zenbook 14 2023 series has left a deep impression on me. As the main series of ASUS thin and light notebooks, the Zenbook product line covers user groups with different needs every year. This evaluation is still Zenbook 14 2023. It is equipped with the 13th generation Intel Core i7-1360P processor, and it also focuses on high-quality appearance, thinness and long battery life. Let us take a look at the performance of this Zenbook 14 2023. How about it? Zenbook 14 2023 adopts an all-metal body, which is more portable and more comfortable to touch, while taking care of the strength of the body. The thinnest part of the laptop is only 15.9 mm, and the weight is about 1.3 kilograms. Not only has it passed as many as 26 mil STD 810H military-level tests, it has also obtained the Intel Evo platform certification, and the quality assurance is trustworthy. The screen supports one-handed opening and closing, and can be expanded up to 180 degrees. A groove is designed on the D side of the laptop, which is convenient for users to open the notebook screen with one hand. The keyboard area on the C side adopts a sunken design. The wrist rest area and the keyboard area have a silky transition, and a height difference is formed, making the use of the keyboard more ergonomic. 1.4 mm key travel, concave arc keycap, good percussion feel and moderate feedback. The keyboard adopts a full-size 19.05 mm key pitch and has a 3-level backlight, allowing users to type freely even in dimly lit environments. In terms of interface, Zenbook 14 2023 is equipped with two Thunderbolt 4 interfaces. These two Thunderbolt 4 interfaces have a rate of 40 GB per second and support PD charging and DP video output, and the configuration is full. In addition, it is equipped with a USB 3.2 Gen 2 type HDMI 2.0B interface that supports 4K 60Hz video transmission, 3.5 mm audio jack, and a micro SD card reader, which is very suitable for users who need small video shooting to read data, saving the need to find a card reader. Zenbook 14 2023 is also equipped with dual stereo speakers, which are certified by Harman Kardon Master Sound Effects, support Dolby Atmos, and cooperate with the screen to bring a shocking and immersive audio and video experience. ASUS has always practiced in the popularization of notebook OLED screens. For its own products, ASUS Good screens run through the entire Zenbook product line. The OLED screen of Zenbook 14 2023 has a 16:10 ratio, 14 inches, and a screen-to-body ratio of 90%, 2.8K is 2880 by 1800 resolution, and supports a high refresh rate of 90 Hz. A higher screen refresh rate can bring a smoother screen display effect and operating experience. The 90 Hz refresh rate of the Zenbook 14 2023 OLED screen is excellent, and the silky feeling is reflected in the push and pull of the user's mouse. This screen also has a 10-bit color depth, which has a silky effect that cannot be displayed by an 8-bit screen in displaying color transitions. 1 billion colors have richer colors, and the screen transitions are smoother, which is more in line with visual cognition. Compared with ordinary IPS panels, OLED shows a better picture performance. HDR has a higher dynamic range and can better restore the real situation that our eyes can see. Since OLED can keep no light at all, this will make the black more pure, and there will be no grayish black like the IPS screen. It is worth mentioning that ASUS Good Screen supports the no worries replacement policy. The screen can be replaced for free if there is a bright spot on the screen within 1 month of purchase, and the benefit of a new screen can be enjoyed if after images appear within 2 years of purchase, so that users can use it with confidence. Specifically, the i7-1360P processor on Zenbook 14 2023 uses Intel 7 process technology and has 4 P cores and 8 E cores, with a total of 12 cores and 16 threads. The base frequency of the P core is 2.2 GHz, and the acceleration frequency is 5.0 GHz. The base frequency of the E core is 1.6 GHz, and the acceleration frequency is 3.7 GHz. The results of the two tests of Cinebench R20 and R23 also reflect this trend. Compared with the slight improvement in single-core performance, the multi-core score of i7-1360P is 15% and 13% higher than that of i7-1260P. Geekbench 5's multi-core score lead is relatively small, around 3%. We also tested the just-released Geekbench 6, which is not too rich for reference at the moment. A better multi-core score means that the i7-1360P has an advantage in multi-threaded task processing. In addition to the theoretical performance test, we also tested the performance of Zenbook 14 2023 in daily office work, digital creation and games. Use the PC Mark 10 Modern Office Benchmark Test and Application Test to intuitively reflect the performance of Zenbook 14 2023 in this aspect. The Modern Office Benchmark Test is mainly aimed at web browsing, documents, tables and other work, as well as simple image processing and editing, while the Application Test is aimed at the startup and operation of programs such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint and browsers that we most commonly use in our daily life. Let's take a look at the performance release of Zenbook 14 2023 through a single bake test. The room temperature is 25 degrees Celsius, and the FPU test is single baked for 30 minutes. The CPU frequency of Zenbook 14 2023 is 2.5 GHz, the temperature is 76 degrees Celsius, and the power consumption is about 30 watts. Setting 50% brightness, 20% volume, power balance mode, fan quiet mode, 1 hour of online 1080p video playback, consumes 8% of power. The same setting of 1 hour of video conferencing consumes 18% of power, and 1 hour of basic Word Office only consumes power 3 to 5%. On the whole, the improvement in energy efficiency makes Zenbook 14 2023 enough to cope with the work content of users for more than a day, and it is easier to deal with office scenarios when they are away from home. Thin and light notebooks have always been an area of great concern to me, and this year's thin and light notebooks also have their own characteristics. Zenbook has updated a variety of products this spring. Through the evaluation of 2 different configurations and different designs of Zenbook 14 2023, I can feel that this category of thin and light notebooks will have different sparks bursting out this year. Overall, Zenbook 14 2023 is a high-quality thin and light notebook that is worth buying. In addition to the i7 version, Zenbook 14 2023 also provides an optional i5-1340p version. At present, Zenbook 14 2023 has opened an appointment, and friends in need remember to pay attention to the snap-up. What do you think about the new laptop? Write your thoughts in the comments. Have a nice day and see you soon.